On today's video, we are making injera from combination of 3 flours. I have ivory teff, rice flour, and Costco pancake mix, and of course I have fenugreek powder, which is optional but highly recommended. As always, I'll leave the measurements in the description below, including the temperature of the water. Today I'm using blender to mix, but as always you can use your hand to mix it. So I'm just adding everything to the blender. That's my starter. I had 2 cups of starter. And we're going to blend. You might have to stop in between and scrape the side. Once we're done blending, we're going to transfer it to an airtight container. Add more water. I like to add more water because I can always drain off before I bake. I don't have to worry about not having enough water because it's hard to add fresh water while you're baking. So the next morning, this is what it looks like. You can see the separation of liquid on top, so just drain that off and keep it to adjust the consistency. Now we're ready to bake. It's looking good. This turned out perfect. Overall, we made 5 large injeras, and I had 1.5 cup of starter left. For next use, 6 actually, 6 injera. Backside looks really good. It was very delicious too. That's all there is to this video. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.